Hi beauties, this is the Love Goodly October-November 2019 box. Let's see what's inside. So I am a VIP, so this is the VIP box. So it tells you about all the different products. So the regular one that's not VIP is worth $76 plus, and then since I'm a VIP, these are the things I get as a VIP member. Can't wait. Woo! So, why don't we look at the VIP stuff first? So there's this thing. It looks like a blush of some kind. So this is a little wildflower seed paper to plant. That's kind of cool. Can't wait to try this out. And then we have the kabuki brush. It's made out of synthetic materials and cruelty-free, so that's cool. So I can use this to put on that little blush, and oh, that's pretty cool. Made with a bamboo handle. Okay, and then this goes with it. Same brand. It's a vegan lip and cheek glow, pink chiffon color. So let's see how that looks. It's a nice color. Okay. Can't wait to do a nice look with that for everybody. Next we have Eco Lips. Be free and feel the difference. Organic oils and vegetable wax blended with organic essential oils. Okay, 100% vegan ingredients. So this looks like a nice lip balm. See how that feels? That feels pretty nice and soft and smooth. So that's exciting. Looks like a lot of stuff for lips. So this is a lip polish, sugar lip polish, pina colada. See how that looks. Oh my gosh, I can totally smell the pina colada from here. But yeah, that feels like it's gonna feel amazing on my lips. Keep them nice and soft and smooth. Okay, let's see what else we have. And we have this Delia Organics lip nectar. Okay, so my lips are gonna be looking really fabulous with all of these things. So it's let's see what's in it. Pumpkin seed oil, grape seed, lemon, sweet orange, and lavender. It sounds like a nice blend. See how that feels. Okay, feels nice and soft. I'm sure that'll feel amazing on my lips. Okay, what else? This is also Eco Lips. Okay, so same brand as this. 100% natural facial oils. So this is the Kakadu plum seed oil, daikon radish seed oil, and then the African marula oil with pumpkin seed oil, cleansing oil, and the regular daily facial oil. Okay, that's exciting. I'll open those later. And this is Dr. Botanicals lemon superfood rescue butter. Okay, so is this for face or what? I can't really tell. Let's see what the multi-use balm. Okay, so you can use it anywhere, I guess. See how that looks. Okay, I can smell the lemon from up here. But yeah, that feels really, really smooth, and it sinks right into my skin. So it's a little thicker than a regular moisturizer, but I like it. Can definitely envision myself using that. And then we have this bamboo lyocell hair scrunchie by Attitude. So let's see how that looks. Okay, I could definitely use these. Looks like they're easy to wash too. But yeah, so that's it. I'm super excited. So we got that, we got this, we got the balm, we got the lip stain and cheek stain, kabuki brush, blush, lip scrub, and lip nectar, along with these facial oils. I'm super pumped to try these all out and make some more videos and images for you guys. And if you want to save some money, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.